Hi guys, today happens to be day 19 of our design challenge. So in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a stunning book cover design using just your smartphone. If you have ever wondered how professional looking book cover designs are made using your smartphone, then this design is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I'll be taking you through the entire process step by step, revealing all the techniques and tricks I used to create this amazing design. By the end of this tutorial, you will have the knowledge and confidence to create something similar on your own. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So guys, go ahead and click on this icon at the right top corner of your phone. Go to image size. You already know the size. Yes. Now click on OK. Do well to give your background a white color. Yes, if you have done that, well done. Now let's import the background of the book cover design. So guys, this is the background. Click on your good icon. Now go to your center icon. Go to relative size. Increase it. Okay, we'll have to do this manually. Stay with me. Okay, yeah, this is good. Now copy it, delete the one behind. A lot of persons have asked me, VicsonTech, why is it that after stretching a picture you will always duplicate it? Now this is the reason. The reason is very simple. The reason why I usually duplicate a picture after stretching it in PixelLab is because whenever you stretch an image or a background in PixelLab, the quality of that image or background tends to drop. And the only way we can retain the quality, I mean the sharpness and the clarity of that particular design, is by duplicating it. And after you've duplicated it, you discover that the design tends to look better. So that is the reason. Get my point? Now let's continue. So you have to place this here. Okay, place it here. Now go to color filters. Increase the brightness. Yes. Increase the saturation. Now increase the contrast. Just so you know, this book is a fictional book. Yeah, it's not real. I'm not writing any book. It's not yet time for me to write a book. You understand? I'm not writing a book now. It's for the sake of this design challenge. I decided to create book cover designs. A lot of persons have been asking me, is it your book? Is it your book? No, it's just a design. Yeah. But I believe in the nearest future, my brand is going to write books. Yeah, my brand is going to write books. But for now, let's develop ourselves before we start writing books. Some of you want to manifest before your season of manifestation. It won't work. You have to build yourself first before you manifest. Many of us, because of we just want to appear, want to be under the spotlight, and because of that we go ahead to abort the process. No, you trust the process. You stay till you are ready. You stay till it is time for you to be announced. Come to think of it, you are not the one that is supposed to announce yourself, in case you don't know. It is the people around you that will announce you. How did you get to know me? It was because of YouTube recommended my video to you. YouTube discovered that this guy is good. This guy is doing what people are interested in. And for that reason, let's show others. Let's show other graphic designers this video. That was how you discovered me. If I wasn't doing well, you wouldn't have seen my video. You understand? Don't be in a haste to appear. Take your time and build yourself. Whether it's in the area of your skill, whichever area of your life, make sure you are ready. Make sure you are ready for the people that are waiting for you. Well, this is not my mentorship section. I know many of you are enjoying this conversation, but this is not a mentorship platform. If you want to join my mentorship group, let me know in the comment section. You get my point. Now let's continue. And if you know you've been getting value, please leave a comment in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with a friend. You never can tell what will happen, so share it with a friend. Hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Thank you so much if you have done that. Okay, before then, let's give it the right font. So this is the font we'll be using, Dr. Glitch. I love this font so much. I don't know why I love this font. Now go to color. Remember I told you guys that I'll be using gradients. Yeah, so click on your plus icon. Yes, this is the pattern we'll be using. Okay, now click on this. Okay, sorry, click on the pencil icon. We're going to be changing the color code. In case you don't know how to change color code, this is how we do it. Or if you don't know how to impute a color code, this is how we do it. Okay, click on OK. Now click on this pointer, click on your color wheel, click on the pencil icon, change this to 221, then change this to 159, then change this to 87. Hope you can see this. Okay, that's good. Now move this to the side, somewhere here. That's good. Now click on your good icon. Hope you can see this. Yes, this was how I was able to achieve these gradients you can see right now. Yeah, this is what is going to happen. Go back to your color, go back to gradient, click on the plus icon, move this down a little. Okay, this is better. Now that's not all. Go to inner shadow, enable it. Sorry about that. This time around you have to reduce the level of blurredness. Reduce it a little. Let's see. Okay, increase it. I think this is okay. What do you think? Am I forgetting anything? No. Now go to shadow, enable it. Make sure it's white. Don't worry. Click on this plus icon, reduce it from here. Okay, smudge, reduce it again. Let's see. It's okay now. Go back to shadow. Okay, it's okay. Increase the level of blurredness just a little. Let's see. Okay, sorry about that. Go back to shadow again. Let's see. Okay, I think this is better from my end though. This looks better. Now the next thing we're going to do is for us to place that right up beneath the text, the journey. So go to your A icon, be writing this. Every step forward rewrite your story, and the road is long, but so is your potential. So when you are done, click on OK. Beautiful. So reduce it, place it here. Now go to color, give it a white color. Yes, go to font. We'll be using Montserrat for this. Yeah, so place it here. That reminds me, go back to font. We'll be using italics for this. Yeah, so we'll be using Montserrat. Montserrat italics. Where is it? Yeah, this. Yes, this. Okay, now go to alignment. Use a center alignment for this. Now go to line spacing, increase it a little, just a little. Let's see. This is better. Yeah, this is better. Now go to relative position, make sure it's at the center. Okay, take it up. Now there's something I want us to do. Follow me carefully. Now click on the center icon. So go to shapes. You understand? Click on shapes rather. Now move it like this. Move it again. So place it where? Place it here. Now reduce the opacity. Follow me carefully. Reduce the opacity. Okay, now increase the stroke width. Let's leave it at 2. 2 is okay. Okay, now give it a white color. Click on your good icon when you are done. So place it where? Place it here. You understand? Place it there. That's not all. Follow me carefully. Now the next thing I want you to do is for you to go to eraser. As you can see, I'm already there. Okay, now I want you to erase this part. Like erase this part. The reason why you're not seeing what I'm doing is because of the color of the stroke. It's white, you can't see it. Let's see. Now I want you to go to where? Go to eraser. Increase this, increase this. Now I want you to erase this part out. Don't worry, just follow me. Don't worry. Erase this part out. Tap on your screen. Hope you can see this. Yeah. Okay. Now that's not all. Go to crop. Okay. Okay. Crop that part out. Now click on your good icon. Hope you can see this. Yeah. Now highlight this. Copy it. Then rotate it. Hope you can see this. Now bring it here. Yeah. Place it here. You understand? Now wait. You see this one? Let's reduce the size. It looks so big. Reduce it. Yeah, reduce it. Let's see. Yeah, this is better. Now bring this right up down. Okay. Now for this one, we'll have to delete it. Now this one, copy it. Then rotate it to the other side. Hope you can see what I'm doing. This is what we call creativity. You understand? This is what we call creativity. I do this a lot in Photoshop, but for you guys that design with your smartphone, or for we that design with our smartphone, don't buy it. You can still achieve this using PixelLab, just that you have to do it creatively. Okay. Just like what my friend said the other day, creativity can be learned. It has nothing to do with talent. Well, I don't know, but some persons feel that there are people that are born with creativity. No, they worked on their creativity. Likewise, you can work on yours. How did I know this? I learned it now. I learned it. Yeah, so you can learn things that you never knew before. That's the reason why we encourage young graphic designers or upcoming graphic designers to participate in design challenge. So place it here. The name of my brand. You understand? So that's the end. So we are done with this book cover design. The journey, every step forward, write your story, and the road is long, but so is your potential. VicsonTech Global. Now in the next video, I'll be teaching you how to create the back cover design and also the spine, just like the previous one. So thank you so much. Thank you for staying with me up until now. Do well to do the needful. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Thank you so much. Do well to watch the next video that will appear on your screen. My name is Victor and the name of my brand is VicsonTech. See you tomorrow.